Rather, 1B is doing, further repairs. Across the city, if you go today, you will see a lot of roadworks. It has come out through that program, and we'll continue doing it. But fundamentally, that question that Baba was raising, that 1 year break that has been kept by the court, I think we need to come out strongly on the road maintenance levy fund. Chair, I can leave it at that for now, kindly, and then you can go on to the other. You'll guide.
Onyonka. Okay, Mheshimiwa.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Chair. I was just keenly listening. Your Excellency, Governor, I've sat for the last 3 years listening to you. And every single thing you said today, you said it before. It tells me either Nairobi County is not working, or indeed this committee and the Senate doesn't know what to do with Nairobi County. Remember, we have discussed about Nairobi County having a tram system so that our people can travel to industrial area for work, like other countries do. And I remember when you gave us the presentation, you said with about 6 billion, you would do all the tramming you needed out of the 5 or 6 boroughs that form part of Nairobi. From your presentation, the question I wanted to ask you, or the addendum I was giving, is this: what is really the problem with Nairobi? Because like you've had, the same narrative you've given us here is the same one I've had the last 3 years.
Financing. It is purely financing.
But Excellency, you're in government.
No.
Your president is your friend.
It's not about friendship.
It's
about structures of governance.
Okay, what are the structures? Because I've never heard you say the structures are broken like we do. So tell me, what structures do you think are broken?
That is number one, I've said, the financing model.
Chair, maybe just allow the governor to take some questions.
Thank you very much, Chair, and thank you, Senator, for saving me from Onyonka. Governor, you have articulated very well about the issue of the roads. What is difficult with discussing it in the summit? I know you are a very articulate person from when you are a senator. Why are you not fighting for it in the summit? I agree that senators should be part of this journey. But we have had occasions when we are fighting for something and the governors pull back and they just put us in a very embarrassing situation. What is difficult with fighting that functions